have heard of the term lens before, but have you ever wondered how a lens really works? In this lesson, we are going to be talking about lens. This is known as a convex lens. It's thickest from its center and thin around its edges. Now, we can see these rays of light entering this convex lens. And this lens is causing these rays of light to bend or converge. The point where they converge or meet is known as the principal focus. Now, the distance from the principal focus to the center of the lens is known as the focal length. We have another principal focus in the opposite direction because rays can travel in opposite directions too. This is known as a concave lens. It's thinnest from its center and thickest around its edges. We can see these rays of light entering this concave lens. This lens is causing these rays of light to bend, but this time diverge. The point where they seem to diverge is known as the principal focus. Similarly, we have another principal focus in the opposite direction for the same reason. Let's take a very distant object, for example the moon. Rays from a specific part of the moon are entering the convex lens. The convex lens is causing these rays to converge or meet. The point where they meet or converge is where an image is being produced. And this image is upside down, and this is known as the real image formed by the convex lens. A film projector also uses convex lens to form a magnified, real image on a screen a long way away from it.